Welcome to your financial future. Starting your investment journey can feel daunting, but it is one of the most rewarding decisions you can make for your long-term wealth. In this guide, we will break down the essential steps to get you started with confidence and clarity. You do not need a fortune to begin. You simply need the right knowledge and a willingness to take that first small step towards financial independence. First, set clear financial objectives. Whether you are saving for a new home, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund, knowing your why is crucial. Next, assess your budget to determine how much you can comfortably invest each month. Remember, consistency is key. Even modest contributions, when made regularly, can accumulate significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Finally, choose the right investment vehicles for your needs. Research low-cost index funds, stocks, or bonds that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Diversifying your portfolio helps manage risk while maximizing potential returns. Start today, stay patient, and let your money work for you. Your future self will thank you for the prudent decisions you make now. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. You should always seek guidance from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.